What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. Today, I've got a shoe that I haven't really ever had in my life. Never really thought to pick it up, but when I saw the colorway and the materials and everything, I was like, yo, I gotta jump on it. A lot of people see this shoe as pretty ugly, and that's why, but I mean, there was another colorway that dropped a few months ago that people hopped on the resell on it. It's like 300 right now, it's not too bad. But not only is it a first for the shoe, but it's also a first for the company. I got this off of SneakersNStuff. It was kind of like a creep mode kind of thing. I saw it pop up. I was like, I'll give it a shot. Jumped on it. Few tries, added it to cart, checked out. It really wasn't even that hard. They did end up selling out pretty quick. They sold out everywhere pretty quick. So I was really surprised about that. But let's jump into it. I'm going to cut it open with that. These actually, I haven't really thought lately about using these, but I just recently picked them up to use for something. I can't remember what it was. Figured why not. Plus this box isn't like normal boxes. It's kind of got like some fold thing to it and everything. So let's see here. Which one do I want? Go with that, like a butcher. Just slide that thing in the end, twist it up real tight. Oh, wrong way. That way. There we go. These things are pretty sharp, so ooh, so far so good. Now, the cool thing with these is, and I will show you in just a minute. Let me put this away so I don't slice anything off. So, well, that's cool. Now, the cool thing about this is I ordered it from SneakersNStuff. If you don't know about them, they're a Swedish-based company based in, like, Sweden. I ordered this and it showed up super quick. I also ordered a pair of shoes from Australia that took like 10 days to get here. This took like 3. I'm almost positive it didn't come from Sweden, but on the label it said SneakersNStuff Warehouse so-and-so Sweden. So I don't know if they shipped it to their place in New York and then shipped it down here, or if they paid that little extra to get it here quick. I don't know, but it got here quick. From Sweden to here in 3 days. That thumbs up. Definitely thumbs up there. So SneakersNStuff definitely got my business in the future. So you can't already tell, this is the Jordan 18 Toro, or Raging Bull, but technically it's not part of the Raging Bull pack, but it's got the same colorway. So yeah. Now wow. Now it's pretty crazy. I don't know what that is. That's pretty cool. The top of the box right there. Now, it's nuts because, ooh, these actually feel really good. Go ahead and take that piece out. Not really liking the crease that's in it right there. I'll put this one up. Now, the original 18s, I'm OCD about shoes, and this crease is driving me crazy right here. The quality on the top of these is amazing. The reason why I grabbed these actually was because they have Luxe leather or premium, or Luxe suede, I'm sorry, and or premium suede. So I had to jump on it, and God, they're so soft. But the original 18s came with a slide out box. Oh, I thought that was glue, but it's not. It's like a rubber like silicone backing to it. That's really cool. I like the way that feels. It's the same all the way around it, pretty much. That is really cool. All right, so the original 18s came with a slide out box, and they also came with a towel, a brush, and a Jordan 18 driver's manual. Mainly because the Jordan 18 is based on Michael Jordan's love for racing and motorsports, which is really cool, actually. A lot of people don't like this shoe, but I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's got like little air vents right here, and to be honest, it better have air vents because this thing is like solid suede. There's like no breathability in this at all. That's really cool. I like that. It looks really cool to me. I mean, it reminds me of the Jordan 14 Ferraris. And those are a grail of mine. I wasn't able to pick them up, but believe me, I'm definitely going to pick them up. Now, this shoe right here, as you guys know, the Jordan 18 is one of the last retros. And it's because he wore this in his last year with the Wizards. He basically retired with this shoe. Now, if he had retired with the Bulls instead, you know this would have been the shoe that he retired with. This has, like I said, the red premium suede upper. It's got various black all over it from the Jordan logo and the 23 right here to Jordan right there on the heel and the Jordan bit on the bottom. And it's got that clear outsole right there. I do love the way these look. Not to mention it's got that black carbon fiber look going right around there. And right there in the back. That back bit right there is like super squishy. Kind of like it's got gel or something in it. It looks like straight carbon fiber though. Sorry, camera died. Let's try these on foot real quick because I have a feeling these are going to be amazing. Hot, but amazing. Yeah, they are amazing. Like I said, they are going to get pretty hot. Now, these vents right here on the side, those definitely come from the automotive world. I mean, whether they're the vents on the helmets that let air in, who knows? But, which gets me into the next point. This model, the 18, was developed by a guy named Tate. His last name, I don't know if I can pronounce it, but it's Querbis. It's right here. Y'all try to pronounce it. He was the head developer of this, and the rubber heel wrap, kind of wrap, you know, comes from race driving shoes, race driver shoes, racer shoes. The carbon fiber monocoque right here, monocoque, comes from F1 cars. Definitely. I mean, this whole shoe you could tell is based off of his love for cars, like race cars. And the bold stitching is from Italian dress shoes. And there are a lot of Italian F1 drivers. Not to mention, I'm sure the choice of materials, like high quality materials, is part of it. Now, the downside to these shoes is the fact that they pull in, like, just in the time of doing this video, not even wearing them, like, before I ever even tried them on, they've got, like, dust and stuff in them. Like, I don't even know where it would have came from, but there's, like, white stuff appearing on it. And that was an issue originally with the 18s. They just got dirty super quick. So this is going to be a hard shoe to keep clean. I love the way it looks, but I'm definitely going to have to crep this. Crep it hard. Crep it long. Did y'all cop this shoe? Did you cop the blue and white one? The original that released? I was going to go with that, and honestly I should have, because it's leather, so it would have been easily cleaned and whatnot. See, there's even a little thing that just popped up right here. That's crazy. It's just so hard to keep clean. But yeah, did y'all cop it? How do you feel about the 18s? How do you feel about this colorway? I mean, I kind of like it. I kind of dig it. Like I said, I mean, it's comfortable too, so why not? You know? If you're gonna get this, you gotta get this and the whole suede, like the red suede 5s. You gotta get the Ferrari 14s. You gotta get all that stuff and just post them up. That's the kind of suede that this feels like. The ones that are on the Ferrari 14s. And to be a few years after the fact, it's pretty good. That means Jordan's, you know, still trying at least. So, and I heard there's a few more, you know, 18s that are going to be coming out over the course of the next few years. So, I think another one's going to be dropping in 2018 as well. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Got some more bangers coming. I'm backed up a little bit because we've had a few things going on at the house, you know, taking my attention away. Oh, and before I get out of here, you know, I get all my things right here from the Container Store, drop fronts and everything. So I got a kid coming. Been picking up shoes for him every now and then. And when I was there picking up some more cases for me, I noticed that, you know, they don't have the little baby drop fronts, but they do have these, which are perfect. These are like $1, like maybe $1.50 or something. But they hold up to a size maybe 6 or 7C. I haven't really tried anything bigger than that. These are a 5C. I've been getting a wide range of shoes for him. As you can tell, these are the Jordan 10 Steels. There you go, bam. My people over at Soul Station hooked me up with these. So, and I also got the blue suede 11s for him, the 11 lows. Maybe they're high, but it just looks like a low because it's a baby. No, it's a low. And they fit perfect in these. So, needless to say, I got like 10 of these. I'm putting all these shoes in them. So, you know, if you got kids out there, you got little kid shoes. They make various sizes of these too. They go all the way up. You can just keep getting them. I mean, they're dirt cheap, so why not? Why not? So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Check this video out for the giveaway that I got coming up. I'll probably do another giveaway between now and then, just spice things up a little bit. Make sure to follow me on social media. That way you don't miss anything. I post all my videos there. And yeah, I will catch y'all next time. I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.